Fuel cells are the long-term solution for energy crisis in the world. This uses only hydrogen and oxygen as an input, and these materials are very much affordable. The output of the fuel cells are only electricity and water, so therefore there is no air pollution, and this is a very clean fuel. The efficiency also is much greater compared to the traditional combustion engine. This is approximately 80%. Other countries had already the hydrogen car for land transportation. The NASA, to operate the spacecraft, they use the alkaline fuel cells. It's sad to say that these fuel cells are not in the market today. This is because that the fuel cells requires catalyst, which is made up of platinum, and platinum is very expensive. So this is where the physicists will comes in to study the alternative material for the platinum. In a fuel cell, the hydrogen is introduced to the anode for oxidation. With the help of the catalyst, it will split into two, the electrons and hydrogen ion. The electrons cannot pass through the electrolytes, so it's forced to flow into the circuits to energize the resistor, while the hydrogen ion will penetrate to the electrolytes to meet the oxygen for reduction and form water as an output. So as long as there is a continuous supply of the hydrogen and oxygen, the cells will operate continuously. This is different from battery because battery will decline. Now, take note that the faster the oxidation happens, the greater the electricity. And that is because of the catalyst, which is made up of platinum. And platinum, again, is very much expensive. So, the study is on the focus of the platinum or the combination of the electrolytes. Pure nickel has been already tested as good replacement for catalyst. But recently, in our study, we studied running nickel, which is made up of nickel and aluminum, and this is much cheaper compared to pure nickel. We studied the adsorption energy of hydrogen into the catalyst to pass through the electrolytes. So, in order to do it, we need the knowledge in theoretical physics to study the molecular properties of the catalyst, which is made up of running nickel, and we need this result, the self-consistent field, the bond structure, the density of state, and the molecular dynamics. These are the possible output of the study in order to have the fuel cells in the market. So, physicists will provide the idea for sustainable technological development.